Hello children, now we are moving on to learn another chapter from the Diary of Anne Frank. Yes, the diary. As you all know, diary is a very personal thing. All the personal experiences, all the personal sentiments and emotions a person used to record in the diary. So what is so special about the diary of Anne Frank? Annie's Marley Anne Frank. Let's learn some details about her life. Born on 12 June 1929, February, was a German Dutch diarist of Jewish origin. One of the most discussed Jewish victims of the Holocaust. As you all know, she belonged to the period when the people of Jewish origin were totally disregarded just because of their religion. And during the time of Hitler, as well as during the time of the Nazis, such atrocities over people who belonged to Jewish religion was in a populist trend. Holocaust is all the discrimination and the cruel attitude that the Jewish people have to come across while they were under Hitler. She gained fame posthumously with the publication of The Diary of a Young Girl. So this is one of the most widely read novel or widely read book in the world, The Diary of a Young Girl. Originally it was written in Dutch language, later on it was in English, in which she documents her life in hiding from 1942 to 1944 during the German occupation of Netherlands in World War II. It is one of the world's best known books and has been the basis for several plays and films. So obviously during the Hitler's time, it was difficult for the Jewish origin people to live a free life, to live a liberated life. So they were living a life of prisoners. So what all experiences she has to face, all this is recorded in her diary, The Diary of a Young Girl. Story of a young girl in the form of a diary. A diary is a form of writing in which a person shares his or her experiences, both emotional and sentimental. It is more or less a book which has pages including the dates, day and month-wise separation. It gives a day-to-day description of events and personal life. The Diary of a Young Girl, the most read book worldwide, is one such diary written by a 13-year-old young girl. She considers her diary to be her best friend and addresses it as Kitty. The events chronicled in the diary later on becomes the true representation of the life and situations of Anne Frank. Her views on diary. A strange experience for Anne. Greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest, she says like. So when she just starts off to write a diary, she feels it a strange experience. What is the reason? Because she hasn't written anything before. More than that, she feels that nobody will be interested to learn about the experiences of a 13 years old girl. Nobody will be interested in that. She is saying paper has more patience than people. And more than that, why she is preferring writing? Because she wanted to get rid of all the emotions and experiences that she has been facing, and it was the greater need to get rid of all those things from her mind. Paper has more patience than people. Enhancing or emphasizing the importance of writing, she says, paper has more patience than people. Yes, could you think in that way? Obviously, because whenever you are trying to share a experience or a feeling with somebody else, they may not be able to understand it properly, because they may be busy in their own world, or maybe they are partial listeners, and also they will not be able to relax you. On the other hand, if you just pour out all your feelings in the diary, she says diary will be more helpful. Okay, and she further says paper has more patience than people. Paper doesn't move, and paper will imprint all your emotions very peacefully and calm. She plans to pour out her feelings in a stiff backed notebook unless she finds a true friend. She is addressing her diary as what? Stiff backed notebook. We all know the structure of a diary. Okay, she says that I am willing to write all my experience in the diary until she gets a good friend. And she finds no difference in both the true friend and the diary. She is now giving us a simple account of her family. She says that she was 13 years of age and she is about to write the diary. And her family consists of her parents, elder sister, aunts, almost 30 people in general she was familiar to. But on the surface, she had everything. She had company of every people in and around, but she lacked a true friend. We all know that at the time of teenage, you are familiarized to different people, especially your friends. It's very important while in a teenage you are keeping friends because you want peers to share your experiences. She belongs to a family that doesn't confide so easily, and she says that she doesn't have a friend just because she doesn't have a habit to confide so easily. Confide means to share her secrets. She doesn't want to share her secrets, rather, she prefers to stick to herself. She started writing a diary. So she soon started writing a diary, and she is addressing that diary as what? The long awaited friend of imagination. And she is giving a name also, Kitty. Now, she says that suddenly, if I start to write something on my diary, nobody will be able to understand. So, although she is not interested to share her personal feelings with others, she is just giving a description of her family. Her father is Otto Frank, mother Edith Hollander Frank, and her sister is Margot Frank. They were residing at Frankfurt in Germany. After the parents emigrated to Holland, Margot and Anne were sent to Ashen. Until 4 years, she stayed with their grandmother. Soon, they also went to Holland. So, from Ashen, they were taken to their parents in Holland. At Holland, she started her skill. At Holland, she started a skiing, and she is describing her experience with one of her teacher, Mrs. Cooperes. The sixth grade, she remembers her teacher, Mrs. Cooperes. She shared a deep bonding with her. And meanwhile, when in 1941 her grandma died because she was suffering from some illness, later in the following year, her birthday was celebrated with a candle lit on her grandmother's name. Although Anne says that she felt very sad that she was not able to celebrate her birthday in the year 1941 due to her grandma's illness and departure. Rather, in the next year, it was celebrated with all pomps and shows. So now she is directing us to the start of her diary, and she says that it is the most sacred solemnization of the diary. That means she has started writing the diary on the following date. What is that date she is mentioning over there? From 20th June 1942. So she starts the diary from 20th June 1942. Again, why she is so much interested in writing? Only one reason that she is continuously emphasizing on. What is that? Paper has more patience than people. She kept diary always in the first place. Now, when she is narrating an incident, when she is just writing an incident in the diary, she is speaking about an incident that happened in her school days. She narrates an episode as a student. She says that everyone was quaking in her boots. Very nervous. Everybody was very nervous because all the children in the class, they were expecting their results. Everyone was betting on their results. Who will pass? Who will fail? And this and comments on the teacher that teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth. Nobody can predict what the teacher is going to say. Only subject that they worried about was mathematics. She gives a brief account of her teacher, Mr. Keesing, an old Fauji. Okay, so now she is taking us to her own personal experience, and she introducing one teacher over there, Mr. Keesing. And the most doubtful subject regarding their pass and failure was mathematics. It is always like that. Mathematics is always a problem creator. So now she takes us to the mathematics teacher, Mr. Keesing, who is an old Fauji. Old Fauji means old fashioned. He was irritated of Anne's talkative nature. Although he gave several he gave several warnings. Finally, he came out with a punishment to her. And what was that punishment? You should write an essay on the topic. Chatterbox. Who is a chatterbox? Who keeps on talking. She felt that she wanted to establish herself as an original writer. So she said anybody could write anything. But to be an original writer, it should be a different thing. How? Anyone can rabble words in the paper. What matters more is stating your points with strong arguments. So, good writing is something that has strong arguments. She argues that talking is an inherited trait. She adapted it from her mother and will be difficult to get rid of it. So, she is presenting arguments regarding her habit of talking too much. What is that? That talking is a personal trait that she has inhabited from her mother and inhibited qualities from the parents are not easily avoidable. But still, she never changed, which resulted in another assignment, and later on, she was given another assignment for her talkative nature. What was that? Incorrigible chatterbox. That means a character that cannot be corrected. Incorrigible means something that cannot be corrected. It didn't stop there also. During the third lesson in the mathematics, also she repeated the same. And again an assignment was forced on her, and this time it was quack, 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 said Mr. Chatterbox, and everyone laughed at her. So Mr. Keesing actually made fun of Anne Frank. She felt that she is just wasting her ingenuity on such topics and talking. She thought differently. She says that I am just wasting my intelligence in writing such baseless assignments, chatterbox, quack, quack, quack. What is all these? Then she thought in a different point of view. She tried her hands in versification. So far she was writing an essay. Now she is trying a different hand. What is that? Now she attempts a versification. What is a versification? Writing a poem. She seeks the help of her friend Sang. And these were the wordings that she is using in the poem. A mother duck and a father swan with 3 ducklings who were bitten by the father swan as they quacked too much. So the father swan bit the 3 dear ducklings just because they talked too much. She intended to hit a joke at Mr. Keesing, and it worked very well actually. So is the father swan referred here, Mr. Keesing himself, and it stuck him very well. Then onwards, she was never complained on her talking habits. And from that day onwards, when she delivered a poem on the topic given by Mr. Keesing, then onwards, she was never complained on her talking habit. So, like other children, Anne Frank also was naughty but intelligent. From a very young age, she had a command over language. She was more interested in learning things. So, a young talent lost soon. Thank you.